The Wolf and the House Dog. Once there was a wolf who was starving. He saw a healthy house dog passing by and greeted him humbly. The house dog saw the wolf's sad condition. He asked the wolf to accompany him to his master so that he can get some food. The wolf felt very lucky and immediately agreed. Suddenly, the wolf noticed that the hair on the dog's neck was worn and the skin was chafed. "What is this?" asked the wolf, pointing at the dog's neck.
"Oh, it's nothing,"
said the dog.
"This is where the collar is put on to keep me chained up." "Chained? Then goodbye to you, Master Dog,"
said the wolf and ran away into the woods. Moral of the story? There is nothing worth so much as liberty and freedom.